Here we are, the Venetian Boo. This is Caesar's Palace, and we're coming into the room. Hey!
Hey, this is MTV Crib.
What up? So this is where we were sleeping. Let me take you to the view. Hello, Las Vegas. That's Galiza. This is our kitchen. As you can see, all of our drinks are gone. Welcome, hella dehydrated, no drinks.
I'm going to take you down the corridor.
Hello. Going down the corridor.
Number 1, grand closet number 2.
This is a bathroom. Yes, if you are on the toilet and you need some toilet paper, go ahead and give us a call. And that's the shower. But let's show you what it looks like inside. Let's go inside. Oh, I cannot slip. I cannot slip. Cannot slip. Over to the other side. And then yes. Oh, can I go in there? Can I go in there? Man down. Sorry, we had a lot of girls in this room. And here's the room. It's only one bed. A comfortable one at that. Hey, Ro, how you doing, girl?
And our 3 bathrooms.
And our 3 bathrooms. Let me take you to the other one across the hall. I need someone to do the Running Man. Oh no, she's changing.
Oh, shit.
And that's all.